Welcome back to VMware from A to Z series. Today we will talk about what we call it Unity. Unity is a feature in VMware Workstation that let you make the start menu appear in your host desktop. To activate Unity, go to View and click on Unity. View and choose Unity. At this time you will see that the virtual workstation right now type for you that exit Unity. In order, if you want to exit Unity, you can click on exit Unity and press Ctrl Shift plus U to launch new programs in this VMware. So how we work with the Unity? Just moving the mouse down, and before going to the start of the main machine, the main host machine, you will find this blue rectangle, and from this blue rectangle you can have a menu, and anything you will run it right now, actually it's run on the workstation, the virtual workstation. So this computer management is not the computer management of the host machine, okay? It's of the guest machine that's working right now in the VMware. So as you see that the disk is VMware, the network, the display is VMware SVG, whatever. So this is the device manager of the virtual machine. Right now we still can run any program of the main host machine. Here is the drive. Our drive is 40 gigs and it's just a C, and you can do whatever you want to do right now. You can format it. Actually, you can't format the drive C of the main machine because it's unapplicable for. So there is a tricky icon that appears in any application that you run it in the Unity mode. You will watch this icon. I will not tell you the icon right now, but it's a little bit icon that appear near in the bar of the new application window. Let's try now to run something from accessories, pen shop, whatever. Okay, and let's go to the start menu. Let's run also another application from our VMware, maybe the calculator, or okay, here is the pen shop. Okay, and now let's run one of the applications from our machine, our host machine. So both the applications in the background, these two applications that you see it, is running from the virtual machine. I think you did discover the difference between an application. I didn't tell it right now. Till now I didn't tell how to discover the difference between application running from the VMware itself and an application running on the host. So right now I just pick something from the device manager, like a picture from the device manager, and directly I did add it in the paint of the virtual machine. Did you got it? I'm working right now in an application on the virtual machine. But what I do, that I use this application to run it and work with it from my own desktop, from the main desktop of the host machine. Okay, I'll save this file. Sure, you know that this file is saved on the C drive of the virtual machine. You don't have anything on your host machine. Did you discover the icon that I told you before, that there is an icon that tell you how to distinguish between an application running from the host and an application running from the virtual machine? Here we are. This small icon, this icon is new for you. You didn't see it before. Near the minimize and maximize and resizing the window, this small icon distinguish between the two applications. So this paint is from our machine, and the other one with the icon, the blue or the icon, is from the virtual machine. I'll try to copy from here to here. You can pick up text, picture, stuff like this, drag and drop. So this is to facilitate working. So if you have an office in the virtual machine, you can run the Word, the Excel, the PowerPoint, whatever you want to run it, and you will find a small icon near the minimizing icon. This shows you that you are working on the Word of the virtual machine or on the office of the virtual machine, and all what you will save to the virtual machine. So this is the benefit of Unity, that it's not a must to go and play with the software inside the VMware itself and to minimize yourself. Also, you can capture movies or screens directly from your or using your host software. So here is again the icon or the menu that's got all the programs. We don't have Word or Excel in this virtual machine, but actually if you have it, you will find it in the programs and you can run it. And as we told you before, that any program run from the virtual machine using this menu will have a small icon near to the minimize button. Here we add two notes. Okay, I think it's time to exit Unity and check what happened. Let's exit the Unity. Try to exit the Unity right now. Where is the VMware? Okay, here you are. Let's exit. And suddenly you have all this work that you already do it in your desktop inside the VM. That's all about Unity. It's very good utility. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in another video from the series of VMware from A to Z. This is Ahmos Moawad. You are welcome to see more videos in VMware from A to Z series in the below address. Thanks and goodbye.